Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup with my Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. I try to do a Valentine's Day look and do little hearts. Tell me how you guys are feeling them, or if you're not, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. I already did apply my eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Hotspot, which is this lighter one, and I'm going in on both sides. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the color Juicy, this shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply that right here on my crease. Just look how beautiful that looks. Now I'm gonna be blending it outwards. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Bing, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply that on my outer V. And just blend that in circular motions, very light. And I'm gonna go in on my other eye and do the same thing. Then I'm gonna go in and pick up the color Bang Bang again, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna go in with the other side of the brush, and I'm just gonna concentrate that color right here on the inside and bring it in down here. And also I'm gonna apply some of the turn on. I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner. Then with my finger, I'm gonna go in and grab Young Love right here. And I'm just gonna concentrate that on my finger and apply it on my lid. Then I'm gonna go in with Devilish and hit the crease right here. Very gently though, you're not like going harsh at all. And just remember to go ahead and bring down whatever colors you are using up on top. Bring them down also. So that one was Devilish. I went ahead and applied that one down here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit my crease up with Privacy, which is that one right there. And just kind of concentrate that on my V. Then I'm just gonna go in and wipe some of the excess, just so you can get that like clean cut. And don't worry about like if you might like mess up with your foundation, you can always blend that in at the end. I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown Ultra Fine Eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna apply some of the CoverFX Custom Enhancer drops in the shade of Celestial. And it comes in a little dropper And you pretty much don't even need to drop anything, just like apply it on the brush. And I'm telling you guys, this little bit amount can do so much. Like, you'll see the difference right now. See, like a little bit goes a long way. I'm even gonna like take them off just to like blend in whatever I have up there. Then I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liquid Eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Lashblast Volume Waterproof Mascara to prep my lashes for the falsies. Then I'm gonna go back and grab some of my Bing, actually some of my Devilish and Bing colors mixed. I'm just gonna apply that with my finger. So I did have this sitting underneath on my lips this whole time. It's a Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips that I did purchase at Walmart. And that is what helped my shadows stick onto my lips. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to be using my Mika Beauty Cosmetics Stick It Glue on a Morphe M416 brush, and I'm just going to be applying some on there on the brush. Then I'm going to go in with my Mika Beauty Cosmetics and Cosmetic Glitter G221 in red. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to be putting some on here. Not a lot because I only need a little bit, but my brush already has glue. I'm just going to be drawing a little heart. Okay, so they're not exactly the same, but they're supposed to be hearts. Then I'm going to go ahead and prepare my falsies for this look. And I'm using my Duo Brush On glue. And I don't know where these lashes are from, you guys. I think they're just regular Ardell ones. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab my little tweezers for these and just apply them. Okay, you guys, so I am going to go in with my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade of, what is this? Cherry Skies. So perfect for this look. And I'm just going to go ahead and line up my lips. So there you go. I try to do little hearts, but they don't really look like hearts, but that's okay because it still looks cute. And this is the look that I created. Thanks for watching, guys.